Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and again I am back with a new video. As you all know, I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World, and this book is very nice, as you all know. As In our last video I have covered the topic called spirit communication. Okay, so in this video I will be covering the topic how the realms work. Okay, and for more updates you can do subscribe my channel, like this video, hit the bell icon so whenever I update you get my updates of new video. Okay friends. 5th 5 1981, 5th May 1981. How the realm work? So earlier friends, as I said you, there are total 7 realm, and in every realm there is 1 to 10 stages, one level 1 to 10, and 1 to 3 is considered to be the hell, and fourth is considered to be earth. It is not even hell, not even heaven, and fifth, sixth, seventh is considered to be heaven. Okay, so I will start. Together, Realm 1, 2, and 3 are known as Hell. Yeah, here they are telling. Together, Realm 1, 2, and 3 are known as Hell. And Realm 5, 6, and 7 as Heaven. Realm 4 is an in between realm. It is neither heaven nor hell. It is the one form of which human souls start. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari that realm 1, 2 and 3 are considered to be the hell. Fourth is considered neither heaven neither hell. It's like earth. And fifth, sixth, seventh is considered to be the heaven. The ultimate aim is to reach realm 7. You have to work very hard to do this. What makes the difference in the inner instinct to rise higher? Then you never do things that bring you down and you reach your goal very soon. There are few lucky souls who have done this. It is in entire who have done this. It is entirely in your hand. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling the ultimate goal of our life is to reach realm 7, right? So we come in this earth plane to just accomplish our mission and go to level 7 in the spirit world, and there are some lucky souls who have done this, right? So it is not impossible. Each of the 7 realm is governed by high good souls. By governed, which means he is the head of that realm. Here realm 7 is governed by high good soul, means those soul are the head of the realm. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling to us, in higher realm no one commits sin or harm anyone. Justice is always served by our own subconscious mind, so there is no need for a police force or ranking officers. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling, in the higher realm no one commits injustice or no one commits harm to any other soul. And here there is no need of any police officer or high ranking officer to monitor this, because God have given our subconscious mind which keeps and monitor on each and every positive or negative karma of a soul. However, we do need permission to do certain things, and if we need some advice or guidance, we go to the high good soul of our realm. Here they are telling, we always need to do some good things. We always need the guidance, the what you call their assistance, and we often go to the high good souls of our realm, those who give us assistance, guidance about what is our mission and how to accomplish our mission. Sometimes even the high good soul of our relay must ask permission or guidance, or must seek advice for us from his highest good souls. So here uh, Vipsi and Rato is telling, many a times our high good soul of our realm have to seek permission from their highest good soul of their realm, so that they could grant us permission and we could go to accomplish that event. The head of realm 7, who is also the head of all the realm like an emperor. So here also the head of realm 7 is like the emperor, and he is the head of all the realms. Realm 1, 2, 3 are each governed by one high good soul. It is the same with Realm 4, 5, 6 and 7. The leader of Realm 7 is the highest good soul, however, is the ruler of all. Here, Vipsi and Rato is telling Realm 1, 2 and 3 each are governed by one high good soul. Okay. And same as Realm 4, 5, 6. But Realm 7 is the leader, and Realm 7 is governed by the highest good souls. They are very humble and kind hearted, that they will never make you feel they are superior to you. They will even laugh with you, joke with you, and behave as if you are on the same level as them. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, if we anytime go to high good soul of our realm or the seventh realm, and if we talk with them, we will never feel bad that we are not of their level. They will always talk us with respect, they will laugh us, they will joke us, and they will make us feel we are same. Their light is so luminous, and their shimmering cloak is so wonderful that immediately you know they are pure, true, and high good souls. So their vibration, their aura, and their light will make you understand they are high good souls. We cannot go down to the lower realm. If we have to, we need protection. As the atmosphere is bad, our eyes need to get acu accustomed. It is accustomed, accustomed to the darkness and the bad vibration. And evil influence could affect us by making us depressed and uneasy. Here, Vipsi and Rato is telling, if we decide to go in the lower realm like 1, 2, and 3, we have to wear a protection cloths, because there is too much of darkness which could make us blind, or we because the negative soul would affect us and we would not be in a position to take decisions. So here we should take precaution while going there. This Vipsi and Rato is telling to us. So we have to take certain precautions, especially to go to realm 1, 2 and 3. Mostly when we go down to realm 1 or 2, we wear a cloak that makes us invisible to the negative soul in those realm. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling, when we go to the lowest realm like 1, 2, 3, especially 1 or 2, we should take many protection. First, we have to wear a cloak so that we become invisible and no negative soul can see us and their vibration can affect us. We need permission and protection to go to the higher realm as well, as their light is too bright for us atmosphere, too fine and vibration too strong for us. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling, even if they plan to go to the higher realm, like as Vipsi and Rato is in realm 6, if they are planning to go in realm 7, even they need protection, because there the light is too hard, too brightness is there. So even they could lose their eyesight, they could become blind even by going in the 7th realm. So they have to take protection. You can only go up a realm higher than the realm you are on. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling, you can only go to one realm higher. If somebody is in 6, they can go in 7. If somebody is 5th, they can go in 6. No one can go higher than one realm for a visit. So no one can go higher than one realm for a visit. Thank God we were on realm 6. In 1985 we reached realm 7. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling thanks to God that in 1985 Vipsi and Ratu were in realm 6, and they have reached realm 7. You can, however, go down to the lowest realm to advise, guide, and improve a soul that has called for help. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, if any soul have called you for help, those who are in realm downwards, like realm 1, 2, or 3, you can go as much as down you can, but you cannot go up than the one level. We need extra protection, and so we must be invisible to all except one who has called us. So here we should go we should be invisible so that they're negative. We can only see to that soul who have called us for help, and we should be invisible for all the souls, those who are residing there. Otherwise their negative effect, their evil effect will affect us. Otherwise those awful soul might harm or attack us. ये Vipsi and Ratu is telling, or other soul may attack you, harm you. So we should be invisible, so they have to wear a cloak for the protection of their body, of their soul body. They are very nasty and they sometimes capture higher soul and keep them as prisoner and resort to mental torture as they cannot do anything physically. So here many a times what this soul do, those who are in lower realm, they kidnap the higher level soul and they mentally torture you, because physically they could not do anything, so mentally they torture you. For we do not have physical bodies. If we become their prisoner, many high good soul must come and free us. So if we anytime become their prisoner in the lower realm, so high good soul come there to free us. Then only we can become free. So it is best to be invisible to them. Otherwise it is best not to visit such place. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling it is very good to be invisible there. Or otherwise you don't visit such place. You don't go visit any bad place. There are many good souls who spend most of their time in realm 1, 2 and 3 to guide, advise and improve others. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling there are many good souls who spend many times in realm 1, realm 2 and realm 3 to guide other souls, to improve them. It is very rare that realm 1 soul call for help. Even through the high good soul want to help soul of realm 1. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling in the realm 1 there are many high good soul want to help them, but nobody calls them for help. These souls are so lost and gone so far on the wrong path that they are incurable. If they are helped without their genuine realization and repentance, they will commit all those sin again. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling they are gone into a wrong path this much. They are not even aware what they are doing. And even if high good soul help them, then they will again go in that wrong path. They spend hundred of years on realm 1, but the soul on realm 2 and 3 are often helped by good soul. Yeah, Vipsi and Rato is telling hundred of year bad souls spent on realm 1, but realm 2 and realm 3 are often helped by the good high good souls who go there to bring them up, who always go there to bring to up to the all the souls. If a soul realizes his mistake, repents sincerely and asks for help, many good soul will rush to his aid at once. So here they are telling ki if somebody calls for help from realm 2, realm 3, hey good soul, please come and help me. Immediately souls will rush and help them. In this way, many souls from realm 2 and realm 3 had chance to rise, but souls from realm 1 have little chance of rising. For them, it mostly takes hundred of years to rise. So here, Vipsi and Ratu is telling when soul from the higher realm goes to soul in the realm 2 and realm 3, there is quite possibility for the other souls to rise, but in realm 1 it takes more than hundred of years for those souls to rise. So for the soul of realm 5, 6 and 7, it is also in their own hands to rise or to stay where they are. So here they are telling the souls who are in realm 5, 6 or 7, it is also in their own hands to rise or to stay where they are. They can stay in the spirit world where progress is slow and steady. So that they are telling they can also stay in the spirit world where progress is very slow and steady. Although progress is extremely slow, it is guaranteed that they cannot go down. Here is a very good point. Although the progress in the realm 5th, 6th and 7th is very slow, but there is guarantee that they won't go down. It is entirely their free will to do what they want to do. No force is applied to anyone. So here Vipsy Rato is telling everybody is free in the spirit world and no force is applied on anyone. Everybody is free. Whatever they want to do in their life, they can do in the spirit world. Everyone is free to do only what they want. But this must be within the soul's capacity. Otherwise, their own subconscious mind will automatically stop them. So here Vipsy and Rato is telling every soul is free to do whatever they want. But that thing should be in the soul's capacity. Otherwise, their subconscious mind will immediately stop them from doing this work. So friends, here this topic, how the relay works, comes to an end. So I will be covering the next topic in the next video, and our next video, next topic will be this: your soul nature is your true self. So here, as I always tell to you, this book is this long and I cannot cover this book in a single video. So what I'm doing is, friends, I'm making each and every video for you all people, so that you could understand, you could learn, you could have fun. Because often what happen, everybody want to read books, but many a times we do not have a reading habit, that to read book to understand. In that point, if somebody explains you, you feel good. And even there are audiobooks available where you first thing you have to pay money, you have to buy, and after that also you should constantly see, constantly it happens in a particular stretch, so nobody explains you. So here so I thought, why not explain you people, so that you could understand, and you could if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, because I give answer to each and every comment section, friends. And you can do one thing, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay, friends. So now this video come to an end. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, friends. Stay blessed.